Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy chatbots via Facebook Messenger, detailed guide step by step clearly. To deploy a chatbot via Facebook Messenger, start by creating a Facebook page. Visit the Facebook developer website and log in with your account. Click on My Apps and select Create App. Choose the type of app that suits your needs. Fill out the required fields and click Create App ID. Once you've created your app, navigate to the dashboard. Select Messenger from the product options. Click Setup to get started with Messenger integration. Scroll down to Token Generation. Select the Facebook page you want your chatbot to interact with. Click Generate Token to receive your page access token. Copy this token, as you will need it to connect your chatbot. Next, choose a chatbot building platform or framework. For example, you could use tools like Dialogflow, ManyChat, or Chatfuel. Create an account on your chosen platform if you haven't already. Follow the instructions to set up your chatbot's basic structure. Design the conversation flow according to your user's needs. Add responses, quick replies, and interactive elements as necessary. Integrate your chatbot with the Facebook Messenger API. Use the access token you generated earlier to link the bot with Messenger. Test your chatbot within the platform to ensure it works as expected. Adjust any parts of the conversation flow that need tweaking. After testing, go back to the Facebook developer settings. Navigate to webhooks to set up a webhook URL. You'll need a valid URL where Facebook can send messages. Make sure your server is capable of handling HTTPS requests. Verify that your webhook URL is working correctly. Once everything is configured, go to the Messenger settings on Facebook. Toggle the app into live mode to make it accessible to users. Share the link to your Facebook page so users can interact with your chatbot. Monitor user interactions and feedback for further enhancements. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.